Good afternoon and welcome to the Unincorporated Live virtual fashion show. Our designers have been here on business, creating the most groundbreaking looks you are about to witness. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And now, our unincorporated designers will be presenting their brands.
Hello everyone, my name is Harper. My brand is the Diamond Ears. My logo is a geometric bunny with diamond ears. The reason behind this is because the geometric shapes show more of a hard side of me and the bunny shows more of a soft side of me. The season I'm designing for is spring 2021. My inspiration is satin chains because those are a cross between hard and soft materials, like my logo. I will wear this garment to a contemporary art gallery, and when I'm wearing it, I will feel unbreakable. Thank you to Richard for helping me with my outfit. Enjoy the rest of the show!
My name is Charlie, and my brand is Charlie's Hand. The season I'm designing for is summer 2021. My inspiration is a blackout. My customer will be going to Elfa Style. It's an Italian restaurant in Beverly Hills. She will feel glamorous. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Claudette. My brand is Lollipop Swirl. My logo is a lollipop swirl. The season I'm designing for is spring, summer 2020. My inspiration is sparkly pink pandas. My customer will be wearing this to my 7th birthday. They will feel shiny and bright. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Edie Rose Terbeek, and my brand name is Snow Dolphin. My logo is a snow dolphin too. And why it's Snow Dolphin is because I really like dolphins and snow leopards. So I thought that if I put a snow leopard and a snow dolphin together, I could make something. So that's how I thought of the name Snow Dolphin. The season I'm designing for is winter 2021. I'm inspired by ocean life, and I will wear this dress at Santa Monica Pier. And I will feel as free as the ocean. Thank you for listening. Hi, my name is Summer Rose Kitchens, and my brand name is Summer Sunshine Shop. My logo is the sun, and the season I'm designing for is summer 2021. My inspiration is scales, and my customer will wear it to a private beach party in Oxnard, and they're going to feel like they're ready to have a great time. Thank you.
And that was our show. Join us, we're here all summer long, so you can have yourself an unincorporated life.